In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on Fluid Engine Squarespace. Welcome everyone. Have you ever wanted to design your Squarespace website with more flexibility so you can drag and drop elements exactly where you want them? Well, you're in the right place because today I'll walk you through how to enable Fluid Engine on Squarespace, the game-changing feature that simplifies website customization without needing to code. First things first, make your way to the Squarespace website. It's the gateway to enhancing your site's design with the innovative Fluid Engine feature. Once you're there, it's time to log into your account. You'll see a login button prominently displayed. Give that a click to proceed. For many of us, keeping track of different login credentials can be a headache, right? Squarespace offers a neat solution by allowing you to continue with your Google account. So the next step is to click on Continue with Google. It's a quick and secure way to log in. After selecting to continue with Google, you'll be prompted to choose your Google account. Click on the relevant account to proceed further. This step brings us closer to the heart of today's tutorial. Once you're logged in, navigate to your Squarespace dashboard. Here's a quick tip. You can directly go to your website by clicking on this link. Go to your website, https://account.squarespace.com/. This is where the creativity begins. Now, for a moment of enlightenment, if you're using Squarespace 7.1, congratulations, you're already equipped with Fluid Engine. This version was designed with Fluid Engine integrated to offer you an enhanced, flexible designing experience. This means more creative freedom with less hassle. To actually start using Fluid Engine on your website, look for an option labeled Edit on your dashboard, or simply follow this link to edit the website with Fluid Engine. Edit with Fluid Engine, https://heckmediablog.squarespace.com/config/. This is where the real fun begins. Why is Fluid Engine such a big deal, you ask? Well, Fluid Engine empowers you to seamlessly click, drag, and drop objects and elements onto your website. Imagine positioning images, text blocks, buttons, and more exactly where you want them without writing a single line of code. It's that intuitive, but there's more. With Fluid Engine, you're not just moving things around. You can add new blocks, move entire sections, overlay blocks for a layered look, and much more. The possibilities for customization are virtually endless, opening up a whole new world of design opportunities. By now, you should feel empowered to dive into Squarespace and start experimenting with Fluid Engine. Remember, the best way to learn is by doing, so don't hesitate to try different configurations and layouts to see what works best for your site. That wraps up our tutorial on how to turn on Fluid Engine in Squarespace. Experiment, explore, and most importantly, enjoy the process of making your website truly your own. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful guides like this one. Happy designing!